What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I kind of ordered something. Once we unload it, I'm gonna show you what's up, but stay tuned. So yes, guys, this is the new addition to the fleet. Some of you guys might know what it is already, but we're about to unbox it. I'm not gonna show you the unboxing, I don't think, maybe parts of it, but I'll just show you guys when it's already all built up or whatever. And yeah, so stay tuned. All right, so for sure this might give it away a little bit more, but hell yeah. X Pro XP 4000. Shit. So far, guys, opening the box was very easy. It was already split. Now I just had to take apart the little bolts, and then there it is. Check it. Damn, that's fire. I want to build it already. All right, guys, so here it is, the new addition to the fleet. We got an X Pro, also known as a Kugo. These are very popular, like in Russia and fucking Dubai. But yeah, bro, pretty sick. I'll probably do like another video of me like riding it or whatever. And then, well, I'm not gonna do a review video. My review is gonna be me owning it over time. So just subscribe. And if you want to know more about the bike, then with time you'll see that it's a pretty dope bike. I'm not gonna lie. It's super sick. Even has little turn signals and stuff right here. Oh, I didn't press it. My bad. There you go. Check out the woo. And then the brakes work when you press them. So that's pretty sick. Hey! But yeah, that's the new addition to the fleet right here. Let me know. I'm gonna do like a POV video soon. But so far, guys, my overall thoughts is, honestly, this is legit. Honestly, I got it from Amazon for like $1,200. So of course it beats a Ceron for the price. And honestly, it's legit, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I've never ridden a Ceron before, so I can't really compare it. But for my first e-bike or whatever, it's pretty good. Pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It has 3 modes. So right now I'm like on medium mode, but I could put it like on slow mode. That's 1. Then it turns green. I could put it on medium again. Hit plus, turns blue. And then for fast mode, it turns red. And I've done 10 miles so far. And I gotta say, it's been pretty fun. Pretty fun. Never thought I would actually have one. I've always wanted one, but never thought I would have one. So pretty sick, guys. As you can see, you got that light right there. Then we got a yellow light. Pretty sick. And then we got a strobe light as well. Turn it off, and then this is a strobe light. And it strobes yellow and white. So it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. It came on a semi truck. Got here in like about a week. And again, guys, I can't stress this enough. I got this on Amazon. That's crazy. I think they're barely coming to the US, these bikes, so the market isn't too big. But if they do get popular, then best believe the prices are gonna go up. And I've been looking at the price history lately, and they've been going up, so you gotta act on it quick. So in Russia, they're called Kugos, and like their traditional colors, like an orange frame with black. But here in America, they could either come gray, red, or black. How I got it. I decided to get it in black just because I feel like it looks more stealthy, more low-key, you know. I don't want much attention and shit. And then it does come with the front fender, but I haven't put it on yet. I think I like it like that. I'm gonna get the ODI plate and just kind of make it look cool. But I might put the fender on, I don't know. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. But damn. Comes with DOT brakes, so they're liquid hydraulic brakes. Pretty sick, as you can see. And it honestly, it feels good. It's not too tall. At first I thought it was gonna be too tall, but I could reach the ground perfect. And I'm 5'5", and I weigh like 130 pounds or so, 135. And I know taller people could ride it, and I know heavier people could ride it too. It does have like a weight limit or capacity of 265 pounds. So yeah, if you weigh 265 or below, I think this is the perfect bike for you. I'm not gonna lie. Especially if you want something just to cruise. I'm not gonna over modify the bike at all. What I'm gonna do is just use it for what it is. I mean, I'm not gonna make it faster, I should say. I will modify it, like change the grips, maybe the bars and stuff like that. But as far as making it faster goes, I don't think I'll make it faster. For now, it's chilling. It's pretty quick. I haven't even gone top speed yet, but I have hit like mode 3 and it does pretty good, so I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fire. I think the fastest I've gone in it is 35. It could go way faster for sure. They say top speed is 45 depending on your weight, of course. So I could probably hit like 46, 47 in this thing. And it feels pretty stable. It feels really planted. It doesn't feel cheap. Maybe if I could add something, it'd be cool if you could adjust like the stiffness of the suspension and stuff. But other than that, I mean, it's whatever. You could always upgrade that in the future. But it's pretty clean. I thought it was weird that the suspension sits in the middle of the bike at first, but it kind of grew on me. And you get used to it. It's not that bad. And the bike feels good. It doesn't feel weird or nothing at all. I mean, it does what it does. Yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I just wanted to post something real quick for you guys, show you guys what's new. I mean, I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna end up taking off all these stickers and stuff, so it's gonna look sick. Maybe like a new seat cover eventually, make it look all tight. But I mean, it's just a small video. I don't think it's gonna be a long video. This might be the end of it. I might get a clip of me riding right now, but if I don't get a clip of the bike of me riding it right now, then I'll do it some other time for sure. I mean, I'll be posting more about it, so comment below if you guys want to know more. I mean, it's hard to find YouTube videos on this bike in particular. There's a lot of like videos of the Kugo, which is the Russian Dubai version. But yeah, it's hard to find some here in America. So if you guys want to see more, comment below. And if you don't, then I'm gonna do it anyway. So this is to close out the video. Came with its own charger, as you could see. That's what it looks like with the fender. It's not bolted in. So let me know if it looks better with it or without it. I'm also gonna leave a link below if you guys want to find it on Amazon. Just click the link and then it's gonna take you right to it. I'm not sponsored at all, but if you guys want to sponsor me, then hey, let me know. But yeah, it's not sponsored, but it's a cool hookup that you're gonna find on Amazon, so why not? But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.